Hello everyone, welcome back to JP Acrylic Studio. Today, we were able to find a few Bowman blaster boxes. 2025 Bowman. Some of you are still familiar with these, haven't forgot about them, and a lot of people have been ripping them because they have been absolutely fantastic for the odds of getting something good, a numbered card, autograph. I am still hoping to find a garbage pail kid card. Some of the retro fractors, I'd like to get more of those. Numbered colored parallels, some autographs. There's so many different possibilities in here. The red rookie cards that are possible in here, unfortunately, doesn't look like anybody that you can get out of these for the red rookie redemption are actually going to be rookie of the year. So they're just good cards to collect because they're definitely more rare than the standard chrome card that you could get for the player. Get these boxes, all the plastic off of here. So we've done great on some of the boxes. We've done fair on practically all of them. But this is going to be a 6-box rip as we get closer to the time frame. And not been able to find these at reasonable prices. And I'm going to do a speed rip here to just get us through to what's inside, and then we'll go through them one box at a time. Hopefully you guys are having a good time. Enjoyed the World Series. Not necessarily who won, but would have preferred the Blue Jays to win. Just a personal preference. But otherwise, no matter who you were rooting for, it was actually a really good series. And of course, it puts another little gemstone in the Shohei Ohtani crown as a baseball player, since the Dodgers won. It's after Halloween, now that when I'm recording this video. And one of the condo buildings near me is replacing their roof. And of course, the days that I have off, that's usually when the landscaping crew decides to go through the property. That doesn't really need much done, but I guess they do enough just to annoy everybody and make a bunch of noises. So you might hear a leaf blower, a weed whacker, large riding lawnmower, the nail guns, putting roofing materials on for the neighbor over there. And of course, if the mailman decides to bring me something, like by UPS or FedEx or one of the big packages I might get from the post office every once in a while, you'll hear my dog Teddy barking at him through the door. Because, you know, that's what he does. Got to protect the kingdom. Alright, we've got 2 of these open. Working on number 3 of 6. So this is going to be our biggest rip of Bowman blasters since I started ripping on video. I was fortunate to get a gift card and find 2 locations that had a few boxes each to get this new grand total. The Target close to me here in Jacksonville, Florida is almost always sold out of product I would want to buy. But every once in a while you get fortunate. For the longest time, all the cards were actually kept at the very front of the store. Not right next to customer service, but close to a bunch of the places to get checked out if they have registers open for an employee to actually check you out. Most of the time they've only got one or two cashiers there, and then the self-checkouts, they've got like, I want to say 5 or 6 total. And sometimes when you use the cashier, they'll tell you, oh, you can only get 3 of the same kinds of sports card boxes at a time. And once in a while, one of those cashiers will say, I'll ring you up for what you got, and then we'll just ring you up again as a second purchase to get all the boxes you wanted to get. And then other times, well, actually, I've never run into the issue. If I do the self-checkout, it never gives me the maximum, never tells me a maximum of how many boxes I can buy. So the once in a blue moon, when I get a bonus like this with the gift card that paid for most of this, I'll just go through self-checkout and not have to worry about it. Just bypass all the only 3 boxes. I could understand if it was a brand new product that most people haven't had a chance at. But these, I had to go way to the back of the store to find them. And the Target that I go to, it actually now has a section in the kids' toys department that actually has like an end cap that has sports cards available. So if your store is like mine has been, where you could only find them in the front, start double checking back in the toys section. They may have added an end cap or a small portion back there to give you more options. Mine did, and I was able to scoop up 10 of the mega boxes. So that'll probably be our next rip after these regular Bowman, where you get both the paper and the chrome and a bunch of different inserts. The megas, you get the lasers and the regular chrome cards, no paper cards in the base pack. And then the 2 mega packs, you get the mojos and possible autographs and colored mojos and all that good stuff. All right, so we now have all 6 boxes, all the packs ripped. We are now going to zoom in a little bit, if it'll do that, and we're just going to start going through these stacks. There it goes. All right, so Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Jose Altuve, Adele Amador. Here's our first insert, Greatness Loading. We got Will Simpson, Jonathan Long, and Hagen Smith on the prospects. Here's our first numbered card, Braden Montgomery, number 248 out of 299. That's awesome. Cade Horton, Reptilian, not numbered or colored, but up for Rookie of the Year with Blake Baldwin. We got Juan Soto, Spencer Schwellenbach, Quito Marte, Luis Robert Jr., Chris Sale, and Caden Dana. Some other papers. All right, our next insert is Rockstar Rookies, Jace Young. Let me get it to focus. Yancel Villarreal, Ricardo Yan, and J.J. Weatherholt on the prospects. And our first chromes, Kyle DeBarge and Steven Echevarria. We got Kyle Tucker, William Contreras, Bryce Harper, Freddie Freeman, Kumar Rocker, Nolan Arenado. On the papers, our next insert is Bryce Eldridge, VIP. We got Hayden Alvarez, Richard Maddock, and O'Neill Perez on the papers. Our next chrome, Marcos Torres and Romeo Sanabria. We got Fernando Tatis Jr., Mason Wynn, Wyatt Langford, Zach Wheeler, Pete Alonso, and Connor Norby on the papers. And our next insert is Adele Amador, Rookie of the Year die cut. We got Colt Emerson, Peyton Elis, Conrad Cason, and our chromes, Nabil Mariano and Blake Walters. We got Dylan Cruz rookie card on the paper, Yuri Perez, Cole Reagans, Junior Caminero, Roki Sasaki, and Adrian DiCastillo. And our top 100, number 28, Robert Calaz. That's our next insert there. Lazaro Montes, Jose Pereira, and Walker Janik on the papers. Bryce Rainier, Humberto Cruz on the chromes. Big Christmas, John Kenzie Noel, Drew Thorpe, Kevin Alcantara, Hurston Waldrop, Rhett Lauder, Shea Whitcomb, Brooks Lee, Malcolm Moore, Luis Pena, and Caleb Lomavita. And our last two chromes from this box, Josue Briseño and Jack Lines. And we finish off the box with the Ronald Acuna Jr., Jacob Wilson rookie card, and David Festa. All right, one down, 5 to go. We got our first numbered, the Speckle, numbered to 499, and the Reptilian Cade Horton. Time for box number 2. We got Tristan Casas, Emmanuel Clase, Bobby Witt Jr., Max Clark on the insert, Sammy Stafura, Ismael Javier, O'Neill Perez, Marcos Torres, and Nabil Moriano again on the chromes. There's Ellie De La Cruz, Cedane Rafaela, Gunnar Henderson, Jackson Churio, Nick York, Corey Seager on the papers. Our next insert is Jackson Jobe, Rookie of the Year die cut card. Hyung-Chen Andrew Painter, Conrad Cason, chromes, Bryce Rainier, Connor Griffin, that's a good one. We got Corbin Carroll, Tariq Skubal, Aaron Judge, Willie Adames, and Vladimir Guerrero Jr. And the best Hobby Stars card that I have pulled so far, this is the gold variation, Paul Skeens. And this bad boy is numbered 3 out of 50. If that was only reverse, 3-0 out of 50, that'd be a jersey number match. But that is fantastic. That's awesome. All right. Our next insert, Brandon Sproat, top 100. We got Charles McAdoo, Didier Fuentes, Emilian Petri, Walker Janik on the papers. Our next chromes, Josue Briseño again, James Tibbs III. Probably got the best name for a big fluffy cat. James Tibbs III. And I just put him in the wrong stack. There we go. All right. We've got Jackson Merrill, Shane McClanahan, Matt Olson, Jose Altuve, Adele Amador, Luis Robert Jr., Chris Sale, Caden Kendall, and upside down, Caleb Lomavita on the papers. We got Franyeber Montilla, Dylan Feen, Adley Rushman, Luis Angel Acuna, Matt Chapman, Caden Dana, Freddie Freeman, Kumar Rocker. Our next insert, Greatness Loading, Kobe Mayo for my Orioles. We have Jonah Tong. Best autograph I've pulled so far out of all the Bowman boxes is Jonah Tong Green Grass. Saw that as one of my earlier videos, starting making videos of ripping packs. So there's Jonah Tong, Santiago Suarez, and Carlos Tavares. We got Aiden Miller and our next Reptilian, Yeremy Cabrera. Put Remy there. We got Thomas Sajaci, Randy Arozarena, Will Smith, Nolan Arenado, Zach Wheeler, and Pete Alonso on the papers. Our next insert, Luis Angel Acuna Rockstar Rookies. Humberto Cruz, Josh Noth, Cameron Sullivan, Peyton Eales, and Steven Echeverria again on the chromes, with Juan Soto, Spencer Schwellenbach, and Quito Marte finishing off the second box. So we're on a roll. 2 boxes, 2 numbered cards, 1 super low number to 50 of Paul Skeens in the gold to match the black and the gold of the team colors. It doesn't get much better than that. All right. Box number 3. Yordan Alvarez, Jose Ramirez, Cody Bellinger, Ozzy Albies, Victor Rodriguez, Drew Jones, Yannicker Ugarte, Jesus Tellero, Nick Kurtz. All right. Our biggest, not a rookie card here, still when he was considered a prospect for making cards, but that's the big chase in most everything that people are opening right now. They're looking for Nick Kurtz. He's had an absolutely phenomenal year. Rookie of the Year favorite. Shota Imanaga, Austin Riley, Lawrence Butler, Zach Neto, Francisco Lindor, Manny Machado ends up our stack of papers there. We got our next insert, Greatness Loading, Dylan Cruz. Then we've got another Athletics here, Will Simpson, Jonathan Long, Christian Campbell. Our next Chrome is a very good one, J.J. Weatherholt first. Bowman, slide him back there. And our next, the third Reptilian, Yancio Luis. Slide him right back over here. And then we've got Kobe Mayo rookie, Rafael Devers, Riley Green, Julio Rodriguez, Orelvis Martinez, and we're keeping the streak alive, and that is now the best autograph I have pulled. Holy red hot fire roasted chili peppers. Woo! Man, I did not see that coming, but I am happy he has arrived. Roki Sasaki, green, true green, chrome parallel, 54 out of 99. Man. Ooh, boy. All right. Nothing against Cabrera, but this is now our number 1 card. I believe our best card we've pulled as of yet. My second best autograph was still is, probably the Jonah Tong. And then my first autograph I pulled, now unfortunately probably bumped to number 3, my Kobe Mayo red, numbered to 5. I think it's 1 of 5. Paper version. That was from the very first pack I opened when Bowman first came out. Shipped me my pre-orders. And then right behind it, we got Roki Sasaki Rockstar Rookies. Man, that I just can't believe it. Yancel Villarreal, Ricardo Yan, and Winston Santos. Then we got Sean Keys and O'Neill Perez on the chromes. Salvador Perez, Christian Yelich, Brian Reynolds, Haesung Kim, Jace Young, Ellie De La Cruz, and our next insert, Travis Bazzana. It's a great name to have on a card. Hayden Alvarez, Richard Maddock, Pablo Guerrero. We got Gary Gill Hill on the chrome, as well as Gregory Barrios. We got Logan Gilbert, Jacob deGrom, C.J. Abrams, Cedon Rafaela, Gunnar Henderson, Corbin Carroll, and another Roki Sasaki, this time the Rookie of the Year die cut. We got Colt Emerson, Peyton Eales, Arun Escobar, Victor Rodriguez, and Yu Min Lin, our next chromes. We got River Ryan rookie, Yoshinobu Yamamoto, Ezekiel Tovar, Tariq Skubal, Aaron Judge, Jackson Merrill on the papers. A lot of great names on that one. Our next top 100 insert is number 86, Ryan Clifford on the Mets. I think I have him already, but I like that set. Don't mind getting extras. Lazaro Montes, Jose Pereira, Leo DeVries, Tink Hentz on the chrome, and Caleb Lomavita on the chrome. And we may be getting a bunch of duplicates. Tristan Casas, Mike Trout, Jackson Holiday. I don't care because I got that guy and that guy. And we still got 3 more boxes to go. All right. Let's see what Bowman's got in store in the next box. Box number 4. We got Brooks Lee, Paul Skeens, Tyler Locklear. Our insert, Greatness Loading, is James Wood. Another great name. Sammy Hernandez, Chase Hampton, Jacob Bresnahan. We've got Jose Pereira, and our next reptilian, Nabel Mariano. We got him in the regular chrome. Now we've got him in the reptilian. We got Marcus Semien, James Wood, Tomoyuki Sugano, Bo Bichette, Carlos Correa, Mookie Betts. Rhett Lauder is our next Rockstar rookie insert. Kellen Lindsay, Matt Wilkinson, Zach Showalter, Kyle Teal, and Samuel Basallo. One of my favorite guys, the Orioles there on the chromes. Ben Rice, Yordan Alvarez, Jose Ramirez, Shohei Ohtani, Jackson Jobe, and Shota Imanaga on the papers. Then we've got J.J. Weatherholt on the VIP insert card. Rafael Flores, Giancarlos Lara, and Dylan Feen again. Hayden Alvarez and Didier Fuentes are our next chromes. Cody Bellinger, Ozzie Albies, Zach Neto, Austin Riley, Lawrence Butler, Kobe Mayo. Our next insert, Rookie of the Year die cut, Luis Angel Acuna. We have Ichiro Kano Hernandez. Haven't pulled his card in quite a while. Chen Wei Lin, Yanniker Ugarte. Our next chromes, Bo Walker and Quinn Matthews. Francisco Lindor, Manny Machado, Julio Rodriguez, Rafael Devers, Riley Green, Salvador Perez. Next little stack of papers there. Our next top 100 insert is number 30, Xavier Isaac. We got Esteban Maya, Bishop Letson, Christian Campbell. Chromes are Jesus Tejero and Chase Mobley. I like Chase. Orelvis Martinez, Haesung Kim, Jace Young, Christian Yelich, Brian Reynolds, Logan Gilbert, and Sasaki shows up again. We got the Hobby Stars inserts. Roki Sasaki. Not numbered, but like the Skeens is, but already got a great numbered one. We got Kevin McGonigal, Jared Sundstrom, Winston Santos. Our last two chromes in this box, Sean Keys and Yoferi Rodriguez. We got Ellie De La Cruz, Cedeno Rafaela, and my number one guy on the Orioles, Gunnar Henderson. All right. It doesn't get much more exciting than that. We've opened 4 boxes. We got one of the absolute best autographs you could possibly get in a low number, only to 99, Roki Sasaki, and this sucker looks perfectly centered. Man, I'm blown away by that card. That's awesome. All right, we got 2 more boxes. I believe we have pulled a numbered card out of every box. No, we didn't in that last one. But who cares? We got Roki Sasaki autograph. Box number 5. Can you tell I'm excited? River Ryan, Yoshinobu Yamamoto, Ezekiel Tovar, Carson Williams on the insert, VIP, Ricardo Yan, Hayden Alvarez, Slade Caldwell, another one I like that I hadn't seen in a while, Corey Lewis and Lucas Ramirez on the chromes. We got Julio Rodriguez, Orelvis Martinez, Haesung Kim, Jackson Holiday, Mike Trout, Tristan Casas. Our next insert, Rookie of the Year die cut, Trey Sweeney. We got Richard Maddock, Colt Emerson, Owen Wild, and Jack Caglione. That's a great one to pull. And Cody Freeman. Those are our next two chromes. We've got Jace Young, Ellie De La Cruz, Cedeno Rafaela, Emmanuel Clase, Bobby Witt Jr., and Jackson Churio. Another one I hadn't seen in a bit. We got number 22 of the top 100 insert, Kyle Teal. Peyton Ellis, Lazaro Montes, Alex Mooney. Our next chromes, Winston Santos and Fernando Cruz. Gunnar Henderson, Corbin Carroll, Tariq Skubal, Nick York, Corey Seager, Willie Adames, and our first red rookie, Jackson Jobe. Unfortunately, will not win the Rookie of the Year to be a $100 trade-in value, but that's all good. Jose Pereira, Malcolm Moore, Nate Nankiel, and our next chromes, Fabian Lopez and Jose Pereira. We have Aaron Judge, Jackson Merrill, Shane McClanahan, Vladimir Guerrero, Jose Altuve, Adel Amador in the papers. Our next insert, Greatness Loading. That's Cam Smith. We got Luis Pena, Carson Benj, Luke Sinnard, Drew Jones Chrome, And our next and fifth reptilian is, Password Garcia. Justin Nixon, something like that. Anyway, I think I needed him for my set. Missing a few cards of that still. Matt Olson, Adley Rushman, Luis Angel Acuna, Luis Robert, otherwise known as Lou Bob, Chris Sale, Caden Dana. Our last Rockstar insert for this is John Kenzie Noel, otherwise known as Big Christmas. Jesus Made finally shows up in the rip. And Nick Kurtz right there. Look at that. That's two great paper cards next to each other. We have Ichiro Kano Hernandez and another Samuel Basallo, Chrome, and Matt Chapman, Thomas Sajasi, and Randy Arozarena. So, not another numbered card, but we did get the red rookie, and we got some good names in the paper and the chromes and the inserts. And I just love Bowman, especially this year's Bowman. Last but not least, what are we going to find in this one? Box number 6 of the Super Mega Rip. All right, Salvador Perez, Christian Yelich, Brian Reynolds, Aiden Miller on the Chrome VIP insert, Jack Caglione, got his paper there, Sammy Stafura, Hagen Smith. Oh boy, look at that. I'm seeing some blue shimmer. We got Rafael Flores and PJ Morlando, numbered 17 out of 150. Now, PJ Morlando was the first super short print that I pulled from the original pre-order that I had made. I have the stained glass, which is not numbered, but obviously very rare, the stained glass insert set. And so now I have another one to add to the rainbow that I've been building on PJ Morlando. I'm loving that. That's great. We're going to put you right there. We have Francisco Lindor, Manny Machado, Julio Rodriguez, Logan Gilbert, Jacob deGrom, CJ Abrams. Our next insert is the Rookie of the Year die cut, Dylan Cruz. We have Ishmael Javier, Hyung Chae Noom, JJ Weatherholt paper, Esteban Gonzalez, and Yensil Luis on the chromes. We have Orelvis Martinez, Haesung Kim, Jace Young, River Ryan, Yoshinobu Yamamoto, Ezekiel Tovar, and our last top 100, card number 100, Carson Bench insert, Andrew Painter, Charles McAdoo, O'Neill Perez, Cole Fontenelle, and Kevin Castillo are our two chromes, Ellie De La Cruz, Cedane Rafaela, Gunnar Henderson, Jackson Holiday, Mike Trout, Tristan Casas, Emmanuel Clase, Didier Fuentes, Emilian Petri, Conrad Cason, and our next two chromes, Esteban Maya and Emil Morales. Getting towards the end here. Corbin Carroll, Tariq Skubal, Aaron Judge, Bobby Witt Jr., Jackson Churio, Nick York. We have Greatness Loading, JJ Weatherholt. That's a great one. Caden Kendall, Jonah Tong again, and Walker Janik on the papers. We have Bishop Letson on the chrome, and our last, and definitely not least, possibly one of our best, the Slade Caldwell Reptilian. As far as reptilians go, put them right there. We have Jackson Merrill, Shane McClanahan, Matt Olson, Corey Seager, Willie Adames, and an autograph. Man, what a rip. Tommy Troy, Arizona Diamondbacks, not a rookie card, but looks really nice. No chips, no edge issues. Very well centered. Love it. Tommy Troy. Not numbered. It is a sticker autograph, but looks like a T2 B AZ. Can't really tell. At least it's better than just some plain old initials. And sorry, Nick, we're actually going to put Tommy Troy's autograph in front of you there. I'm sure you won't mind. Rockstar Rookies, James Wood insert. Santiago Suarez, Humberto Cruz, Caleb Lomavita. We have Kevin McGonigal and Arun Escobar, two of the last chromes. Very good ones there. Adley Rushman, Luis Angel Acuna, and Matt Chapman finish us out on the paper cards. And this is the best rip that I have had for regular Bowman blaster boxes. This has been fantastic. We got a nice big thick stack of chrome prospects. We've got several of the reptilian cards to hopefully help us complete our set, with Cade Horton being probably the best one, Slade Caldwell number 2. Very, very happy with those. We did get, out of the 6 boxes, 1 red rookie redemption card of Jackson Jobe. Happy with that. Oh, another regular chrome, the J.J. Weatherholt first. We'll stack him over here. And we got several numbered cards. And Nick Kurtz over there, of course. Several numbered cards. 2 autographs. 1 numbered, 1 not. So, not necessarily in any order, but definitely a big favorite of mine. The Blue Shimmer PJ Morlando. Again, numbered 17 out of 150. That's fantastic. Blue goes good with the Miami Marlins colors. We got our first numbered card we pulled, the Braden Montgomery, number 248 out of 299 on the Speckle prospect. We got Tommy Troy, autograph, prospect, not numbered, paper autograph with a sticker, but that's all good with me. I love it. Then we finally got a Paul Skeens, numbered, number 3 out of 50, gold of the Hobby Stars insert. Definitely harder to hit than some of the others. It's usually like 4 boxes or so to get one of these. We did get a Roki Sasaki regular one, so there's 1 out of 3, but this one is even more rare, the number to 50 gold variation. I just love that color match. Great picture. Kind of a little bit of a smirking smile, but awesome nonetheless. And this one is definitely the best autograph that I have pulled so far. Again, not a Dodgers fan, but you definitely got to recognize a great pitcher on a great team. And that one is Roki Sasaki, number 54 out of 99 on the True Green. And it is an on-card autograph, not a sticker. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed ripping it. I doubt it, because I'm very excited about this. But as I mentioned earlier, I also was able to find 10 mega boxes at Target. And that'll probably be what we rip next. And I really appreciate you guys watching the videos. This one's a really good one. Hope you enjoy it. And hope you enjoy the rest of your day, the rest of your week. And God bless. I'll talk to you later.